Oh, she gonna fit, she gonna fit. Oh, she fits. Little more, little more. That'll do, right there, perfect. What's he got for us today?
Got goods.
Yeah, so we're gonna see what these new AlphaRex taillights are all about. Let's see them. There we go. The red looks pretty cool. All right, well, here they are, the AlphaRex taillights now for the 22 and up Tundras.
Yes.
Let's whip them out, check them out.
So these are the Alpha Black taillights. There's also black and black red options.
So 3 series altogether.
Yep.
The black red series has like a red look to it without lights being on, if I remember correctly. Because these have like a smoked out kind of clear look to them.
Yeah, and then they'll light up.
Yeah. Oh, that's so clean. Yeah, that's the side of it. And then right here, straight on the rear. You guys remember the stock taillights here. On Derek's truck, we tinted a medium, mid shade on this one. So first step is to remove the 10 mils right inside of the bed right there, one right there, and one right there. And then what we have to do on Derek's truck, because he has the button tailgate function right there, that button right there drops it down. We'll swap that over to the taillight here, which is pretty straightforward. Screw right there and a screw right there, just comes right off.
Say of all people, you've taken out your taillights plenty of times, so that's why I figured
couple
you were the expert to come to.
That's where I took apart quite a few times.
Yeah, have you ordered your next Tundra? I know inquiring minds want to know.
Coming possibly soon. So now there's a wire loom, and then it feeds into, I think you have 2 connections on yours because of the button. So there's one here and one there. So we'll take those connections off. Suckers in there pretty good. Oh, there we go. There we go. Now I'm gonna unclip the wire loom. Last one. There we go. We free.
There it is.
Behind the driver's side taillight here, those 2 screws.
That definitely did the job.
Yes, sir. And just like that. There we go. So we'll take the AlphaRex taillight and flip this over. And then same as on the original taillight, pull off those 2 Phillips right there. And off you go. All right, now we'll slide the original piece here right onto the AlphaRex taillight. All right, and then just like on the original taillight, I'm gonna clip the wiring loom right into here, here, and then there up top. Bada bing, bada, boom, baby.
There we go.
Yep, perfect. All right,
perfect.
the button functions.
We're good.
Ready to knock out the passenger side, man. But dude, that's a nice look right there. Wow, dude.
It's just so clean.
That clear look is so good.
Well, and especially you're right on the lunar.
On the lunar too, right?
With the new 25 Tundra, if it's a Platinum 1794 capstone, it's got built-in massage chairs that you can have now in your front seats.
That's crazy. I didn't know that. Reel me in, dude.
Hey,
it's like, come back to Toyota.
Come back. Since last time, because you always say every time I come,
there's
something new. So these are the new low rack crossbar system from Load. And then this is the Roof Space America Roof Space 2 tent. This is the world's first fusion category rooftop tent. So it's a mixture, if you look here, combination of a folding. If you think of the best of both worlds, a folding roof tent and a hard shell roof tent in one. All right, you wanna see these taillights?
I sure do. Sick. That's pretty cool. So when the turn signal's on, it turns amber. So it's a switchback. It's pretty cool. Hit the taillight. You auto start it. Ridiculous. When you auto start the Tundra, you open the door and it turns it off. Makes no freaking sense. Ooh. Wow. That's pretty cool right there, dude. It's orange on camera, but Very red in real life. That's sick. It turns amber, but the taillight stays red. Yeah, I can't tell at all on camera. Little sequence in here too. Like its own sequence in the middle, right? That little strip right there in the middle of the 3 stripes on top and bottom. Interesting. Pretty cool, man. Oh, there we go. Now it's more red. No, no, no. There we go. Now it's red. It's hard to capture it. So let's check out the fit and finish on these things. See how they fit, which looks pretty nice so far. Yeah, they fit perfect. Let's get all the way. Perfect gap. Real nice. Studio lights built in, 2 for 1.
Dude, just put some rock lights here and there.
How'd you know? That's coming soon too. I got a few more things. I got a few more things to do to the Raptor here, and then
it'll be off to its new home.
How do I say? More to come on that. More to come on that.
I wish I could do what you do.
Just keep switching trucks like a moron.
No, not really. I like having just one and keep building.
I like
changing it up.
The Raptor's cool though, dude. I'm enjoying it. I'll talk more about it later, I guess. Yeah. But I miss Toyota, that's for sure. So that's the Boost Auto. Had to flex on you one time there, man. Light it up for you.
There you go.
I know yours don't light up, so.
Nope.
But you said that the amp running boards.
But I could turn on all my Baja lights that you don't have and blow you away.
I guess you're right. You got me there. But you were saying that amp research is dropping some lit up versions?
They're already out.
Oh, they're already out?
Yeah, they're already out.
I had no idea.
So Real Truck, AKA Amp, is one of their brands. They have them available.
AlphaRex on the front, AlphaRex on the back, man. Which headlights are these again? The Nova Blacks? Yeah, the Nova Blacks, right? With the amber DRL. That's the headlights there, and yeah, man, they look good. Nice and bright. So we're here at the Rodeo In Rigs, and Isaiah has the AlphaRex taillights here on his truck on display at the Carbon booth. In the video, it's flickering a little bit. I don't know how to make that go away, but in real life, it's not flickering at all, and they're super clean, dude. We have this nice glow here on the outside edge there, and then looking at it head on, that's the tail light / brake light and turn signal is pretty much that's pretty much it. Got the reflectors down there in red, a nice light smoke on them with that clear until it illuminates, and then turns to a red here on the side, and red there if the brake lights or the tail lights are on, and then with these signals or the hazards on, it goes to an amber, which is pretty cool. And as you guys seen in the night shot, it has a sequence to it, which is really awesome. So super nice taillight, really nice fitment all the way around. That's pretty good. For aftermarket, that's pretty good. So Isaiah, if you wouldn't mind, can you hit us with the turn signal? Turn right. Show you guys the switchback from the red to the amber turn. Like so, check that out. That's pretty sick. So like I was saying, it has a sequence to it, which I'm sure you guys could see last night in the video, but yeah, it has a sequence where it starts from the innermost part to the outer. Little strip there in the middle too. Super clean, super dope. Love that smoke look to them, and they're clear when the lights aren't on, which is awesome. So when it's parked up, looks pretty cool. Especially on the gray, and the lunar too look really awesome on Derek's truck. So
from this angle, dude, look at it. It's pretty menacing, honestly.
It is, yeah, man. Like, yeah, they're dope.
It's like you know?
Yeah, look mean for sure. And that's pretty much it for the AlphaRex taillights.